I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Hi loves, welcome back. So are we in focus? So I have this awesome home decor haul that I stumbled upon coming across Rosegal. This hump is killing me. Whatever. So, okay, my arms are kind of full right now. So I'm going to try to get some of this stuff shown. So I will be showing you parts of the apartment. I did redecorate recently because my roommate moved out. So yeah, I have some new stuff kind of going on in here. I have an extra room, an extra bathroom. Now I can, you know, incorporate kind of more of the things that I wanted for the apartment. So yeah, the first thing is just something really basic, and I don't even really need it anymore because I have found a full set. But this is just like a soap dish, and it's just really simple. And at the time when I ordered it, I couldn't find, and mind you, this stuff came pretty quickly. The only thing that didn't come here was my mattress protector, so I'm still waiting on that. So yeah, this is the first thing, and it's just like I said, a soap dish holder thingy. A soap dish. So then the second thing, yeah, you won't really be able to see it, but it's just like this mirror wall decor item, and I just didn't find a place where I wanted to put it yet. That's why I didn't put it up. So, and I also don't know how big it is, so I have to go back to the site and check. So yeah, it's just little pieces like this, and it just really makes a nice mirror wall decal. And I'll just leave a picture if I can, or if I remember to. And this is like the centerpiece of it. And I just, yeah, haven't figured out where I wanted to put it, or if I was gonna put it up at all. Free my hands. So the next thing I have is this teacup, I guess I'll call it that. And I love this packaging. You know, I'm here for the gold. So yeah, just looks like this. And at first I thought it was like a water filter or purifier, but it's actually for tea. So you will put your herbs up here, and then I guess you will put in, yeah, I really don't even know how it works yet. But are there not any English directions? So the next thing I have will be kind of hard to show you guys, so I'll probably just insert a picture of this as well, and you'll see it in my upcoming apartment tour if it's up by then. Now this is just an orange, tan, grayish painting, or print rather, and it's way bigger than what I thought it would be. And it's for my bathroom. At first I wanted to put it over the toilet, but like I said, it's way bigger than what I thought it would be. So it's like 48 inches by something. It's just really big. And I just decided to put it over the ladder, and I will show you guys a picture of where I want to put it. But it's going to be a video of where I want to place this painting. If I don't find a big enough frame, because the frames were pretty expensive on Amazon, they were like $100. I was like, oh no. So if I don't find a frame for a reasonable price, I'll probably just make the print smaller and put it in a smaller frame and hang it up. So then the next thing I got was these right here, and these are very important for me because I'm trying to be organized in the kitchen, and it kind of helps me eat a little bit healthier, because the more organized my refrigerator is, the more well, the less I buy, because then everything else will fill out of place. So yeah, and these are just chalkboard labels, and you can erase from them. And I have like this chalkboard marker pen thing. So yeah, you can put expiration dates, and you can name your jars and stuff like that. So when I put that on Snapchat, everyone was like, oh my gosh, where'd you get everything? I'm like, it's gonna be an apartment tour. Here's an example of how I label. So this just says mango probiotics, and it has the expiration date, which is March 21st. And then this jar right here just says asparagus on the top, and like I said, these are erasable, so I can erase as I please. So I believe that's everything I have left the as far as what I can hold. The other things are up, so I want to start with, I guess, this wall clock behind me. You'll see a bigger video of me doing it, But I absolutely love this wall clock. It is just the statement piece for this living room. I feel like when you first walk in, it just catches your eye. So it's just a mirrored wall clock. Me and someone else put it up, and it was just it just came out so beautifully. The instructions were easy, but it is a DIY clock, and yeah, you're not just gonna put it up in 2 seconds. It's gonna take a little bit of time, a little bit of measurements, mark the wall a little bit with some pencil. So yeah, to get it in the right place, it does take a little bit of time. It still might not even be centered and stuff, but it looks really nice. And I feel like it's too far to the right, but it's cute nonetheless. Before, my roommate had her mirror up there, but we couldn't really see ourselves in it, so it was kind of pointless. So, but it was I guess a nice gold statement piece for the apartment. But I just felt like this clock is more useful. And then I have my body mirror over there, and yeah, it's something else I wanted to say. But oh, it's actually the right time too, y'all. I did good. It runs on a AA battery, so that's that. The next thing is the couch pillows. I have a few in every room. So I have this one right here, so I can just pick it up. So yeah, I decided to get a bunch of white and gold pillows, and this just ties in the entire apartment together. I have mixed metals in the office. It's like gray and gold, and then in my bedroom it's the same way, gray and gold or silver and gold. And then yeah, the only thing about the pillows, I thought they were going to be like white. They're more so ivory, off whitish, but I still love them. They're super soft. I bought some from Walmart, and compared to like the quality, these Rosegal pillows feel way better to me as far as the cover, because they were just covers. I stuffed them myself. So yeah, let me mention that before people go ordering these pillow covers and think they're getting full pillows. So yeah, I got about 5 of those with different prints. One says love, one says lash out, one says queen, one is like a palmy print, and I forgot, oh, the tree I just held up. So then also from Rosegal, I decided to order some curtains for my new office, and they're just some sheer butterfly white curtains, and I just thought they were perfect for the room because the wall decal, which I'm also going to show you, it says live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words, and then it has 2 little butterfly stickers that came with it, so it just tied in the butterfly theme going on in that room. Yeah, that's the only 2 butterfly things I got in there, so it's not really a theme, but it's a cute little touch. So the last thing I believe is in my bedroom, and I had this vision for my makeup area. I wanted it to have my sleigh sign, my pink lip ink drawing that I did, and then I wanted it to have this cute little, I guess, silhouette, not even a silhouette, outline drawing of a face, and they are wall stickers and they come off easily. I didn't really have a problem. I actually had that slogan that's in the office, the live, laugh, love. I had that one on the opposite wall, but then I changed the office around, so then I put it on the other wall, and it still stuck up there. It didn't really pull any paint off or anything like that. It's just perfect, you know, and I love wall decal things like that that you can just take off. And you, hopefully with these right here, the glue or tape is really strong, so they say use a blow dryer to loosen it up before you peel the paint off, but I feel like I'm gonna be doing some painting in here anyway before I move out, and I don't plan to move out anytime soon, so I'm not really worried about that. So yeah, those wall stickers and stuff are just perfect, and I love them, and it looks so nice, and I can't wait to do the final apartment tour. The other half of my couch gets here tomorrow, and then the last thing I have to get is a frame for that bathroom, and I'm done. So then I can show you guys what I got going on, how I redecorated the apartment, how I used the extra space and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you so much, Rosegal, for, you know, y'all hooked me up, because I was really looking for something above this mantle and this fireplace, and it was like, I don't know what I'm gonna put up there. So then I saw this clock, and it's just way better than what I thought it would be, and it's about 20 or 30 bucks, and it looks way more expensive, and you can do it yourself. You can do it with somebody else and make it look just really nice. This is something I think will go with any apartment. They have silver, they have rose gold, they have gold, of course, and then I think if they do like a wooden one, that would be really nice. So thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you, Rosegal, for hooking me up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you'll be able to see a full view of all of this stuff when I do my updated apartment tour.